Hey everyone, this is Gary K. Welcome to another Rants and rAVes edition, Rants and rAVes of my video cast. I'm here with Alan Nicholls with MAXHUB. Alan is Business Development Manager for MAXHUB. Alan, first off, congratulations on a great show, InfoComm 2024. We're kind of doing a wrap up of InfoComm, and y'all had a great launch, or I should say showing specifically around what's going on with Microsoft Teams.
Yeah, I could not believe how flooded our booth was with people. I barely got to I got to talk to almost, well, everybody and nobody at the same time. I was getting pulled in every direction. It was wild. We put on a really good show there. I'm really, really proud of our product designers, everybody.
Well, the MTR Pro was a big focus of what y'all were doing at the show. Tell me about the MTR Pro and what's special about it, what's different about it.
Yeah, so kind of going along with our X-Core, the first low-cost Teams room system that we had, that was the biggest thing that everybody said is, hey, we love this thing, but we need more screens, and that USB cable to attach the touch panel is unacceptable for anything besides a small room. And people wanted them for big rooms, and it really wasn't designed for that. So our engineers got their butts in gear and got us the new X-Core Pro, which actually has 3 HDMI outs on it.
Okay.
Microsoft only supports 2 right now, but I know they have 3 display support on the roadmap, so it's going to be ready to go out of the box for that. We got rid of that USB-C cable tethering the touch panel display for it, and we went with a Cat 5e cable. We've tested that up to 50 meters so far. We're giving you the option to tether a second touch panel to it if you want like controls in the front and the back. And we've also put an ultrasonic speaker in it for ultrasonic meeting join, and it's got Wi-Fi 6. And we upgraded it to an i5, doubled the RAM, and doubled the hard drive in it.
And is it Microsoft Teams Room certified?
Yep, it's going through the process right now. We had 1 bug in it, so it got pushed out about 2 or 3 weeks, but we should have it fully certified here in about a week.
And we actually went to your booth and shot videos on all of the products. You can see them all at rAVepubs.com/InfoComm. Type in MAXHUB in the video search window. You also launched a new product called the XBoard V7. What is the V7 version of XBoard? So
we have we currently call it our interactive flat panel. So I got one right here behind me. That's our V6. That's our current line. The V7's launching here in about another month or 2. And we're going to launch it in 2 flavors now. Originally, our V6 just came in a Windows 10 with MAXHUB OS on it. So if you wanted to join meetings on it, if you want to do presentations, it was all MAXHUB. So the new V7, we're doing a triple camera setup on it, 16 microphones. It's going to be the same sizes. We're going to do 55 to 86, and now we're adding a 92-inch ultra-wide version of it. And they're all going to be Teams certified, all-in-one Windows boards.
So how do you use the 3 cameras? Is it sum to 1? The 3 captures the 3, and it sums to 1 in the center?
Yep, so we got an AI intelligence suite built into the camera. So it'll do the wide version. It's going to be doing speaker tracking, presenter tracking. It's going to be zooming into people. We can do that Brady Bunch view with IntelliFrame on it. It's going to have a really, really great set of options that you can do with the cameras.
That's impressive. Well, like I said, we went to the booth and we shot videos on all the new products, including these 2. You can see everything, of course, at maxhub.com, but if you go to rAVepubs.com/InfoComm, type in MAXHUB in the video search window, you'll see all this. Alan, thanks for sharing this information with us.
Yeah, absolutely. We're really excited. I can't wait till the rest of the stuff starts hitting the shelves and we start getting people mounting them on their walls.
Well, you're going to have the whole fall to do that. So therefore, I think your timing is good. Congratulations, and thanks for joining me today.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. It's always great to be here.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Thanks.